Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U3, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you will want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's wait for it to turn off, and hold power key and volume up. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate up and down, and using power key, you will confirm whatever is selected. I'm going to stick with English for my language, and then press power key to go to the actual recovery mode. And from here, scroll down to select wipe cache partition, and again confirm this. And there we go, cache wipe complete. So reboot system now will be selected by default, and all you need to do now is press power key once more to initiate the reboot. And let's wait for it to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.